Alright, so I'm on my way to get to go pick up a little kitty for Aiden. He doesn't know it yet, but I'm on my way to New London to go meet Cinderella, but I'm sure we're gonna rename her. So this should be quite fun. I told Aiden I had to go to work today, and we'll see what happens. But I am on my way, Aiden, to get you your new kitty. I love you. I can't wait to see your face when I get back with your new kitty cat. I love you, buddy. I see you soon. I hope you really like her, buddy. Just a on our way home, buddy. Meet the little baby. Love you.